going to apply some liquid clear. I want a very thin coat of this all over. Right, there we go, we've got that done. Right, I've got some phthalo green, some phthalo blue, got some titanium white. I'm going to go into this phthalo green. And I'm going to put a bit up here, right the way down to the bottom there. Bob says hello, how are you all? And Brenda too. Phthalo blue next, and we're going to go somewhere like this. Just cover all this area. Something like that. Green here, and just use the rest of this. Yeah, rest of this green. Get all that on the brush. And just go through this blue. Just like that. Straight into this violet there. Yeah. And the violet down here as well. We're going to add that white on now, and the picture will come alive. Into this white here. And we're going to do a nice little sky. Start around here. A northern light sort of feel to these. For this side, I'm going to do is very similar to what I did the other night. Just have some big streaks of light come through here, like a big one. Blend out these lights. Let's just see this come alive right in front of our very eyes. It's magic. Looking pretty nice already. And look at this, look, here we go, these beautiful colours all mixing together. We can add a little bit of white here and there, and over here let's just have some fun and push this paint about. Look, I'm going to nick all these colours that I've got here and just put them all together, apart from the white. So all them dark colours, nice little pile, mix them together. There we go, look at that. We'll just make some land that goes up here. Come down to about there. Got to make all that dark. That northern lights is coming across the back there. So we can use this brush, the one we've done everything with, and just sort of make that smooth. We're going to come down here, just pull this. Time to make the waterfall. Touch of the blue there, just a touch. And that should pick up some of the colours under there. We're going to hopefully do a nice sort of waterfall as this sort of comes over. So we're going to go sort of around here. And just pull this down. Well, I think it's time to make some mist. So we're going to create a load of mist here. I don't know how high I want this waterfall, but maybe we'll start putting some mist all the way sort of around here. We'll do this in circles. Let's go somewhere up there. Get a load of mist in there. Up here, up there. And then we're going to come back and sort of feather that out. And magically, just like magic, we've got mist going on here. It's beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Bring this up here. Up here. And we've got all that mist going on. We can do another little layer. If you want to do a little bit more mist, we can do a little bit more mist. Another little layer in front there. Up there, there it goes. Here we go. Look at that. Another little bit of mist there. Maybe just some little things of indentations of rocks or something happening. And just drag them down. Could have done this before the mist, but I only want sort of the top areas done here and there, just to say that there is some rocks there. Right, we're just going to come down here now. Just blend some of this down. We only want to see little bits here, things down there. We plan out a little sort of river. We could have it sort of coming through here, somewhere like this. Little river that comes down here. there another little, do a little something down here. Do some a little bit of land that comes down here. We can do some little trees and stuff there. And around we can put a little bit of a shadow down in that water as well. We can come back and sort that. Let's go down to about there. I'm just going to mark out a few trees with my script liner brush. We can do one here, one there. Maybe we'll have one big one there. And we can just do some little things here and there. Maybe a little twig here and there. Do one here. Little fern tree that lives there. There he is. Oh, that's nice. I like it. I'm going to do a big one here. That's going to push all that back. Look, there we go. There we go. We'll do a nice little tree here and there. Just the tops of some trees. There. Just tiny little trees. Just so there's different kinds of trees just poking up there. Let's do a few there. Over there. Do a little waterfall that sort of comes there. There it is. And we're just going to brighten some of this water up around this area. We'll do something like that. I think bring this colour down here. Just something that comes over there in front and there. Just some rock shapes. So I'm going to go like this again. We can put add some little splashes on there as well, I think. There we go, look at that, some more mist. Maybe darker off there. We'll just carry on with this water. We'll just come somewhere like that. We'll just blend this out, look. Got them beautiful colours going on down there. On these rocks. Do another little rock thing there. Just drag this down. Just lighten this up here. Lighten that quite a bit there. Just some little things here and there. And we're going to blend them out. There we go, look at that. Want it dark down the bottom, light on top. Just some suggestions of some rocks, really. Sometimes I use the palette knife to do that. It's just different effects, what you want, really. I'm going to create a few more little... Now just pull down here. Just a few little things there. Let's come out to about there on this one. Just pull down here and there. Pull that out and then drag down. Don't want that quite dark in there. Light on this land. Just putting a few little highlights around here. Stick that on there. Like that. Blissful Sky. This is 310 signature. I'm going to show you a little bit of a closer look here.